Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us today. We are excited to present our analysis of Inditex's fast and agile supply chain, focusing on process inefficiencies and recommendations for improvement. Our team consists of Salvador, Adil, Martin, Sandra, and me, Elene, and we will walk you through the key aspects of our study. Today's presentation is divided into three main sections. 1. A brief company and process overview. 2. An analysis of existing inefficiencies and risk. And 3. Recommendations to optimize the supply chain. By the end, you will understand how our proposals can enhance Inditex performance while aligning with its operational goals of speed, quality, and sustainability.
Inditex is a global leader in the fast fashion industry, renowned for its ability to bring trends to market faster than its competitors. Established in Spain, Inditex has grown into a multinational powerhouse, owning iconic brands such as Zara, Pull&Bear, or Massimo Dutti, with a presence in markets worldwide. What truly sets Inditex apart is its revolutionary supply chain. The company has perfected an agile system that integrates centralized decision-making with real-time feedback from store managers and advanced data analytics. This approach enables Inditex to stay in tune with customer preferences and adjust collections almost instantly. By combining digital tools with a flexible production model, Inditex can go from concept to delivery in a matter of weeks, something most competitors cannot match. Inditex's operational goals revolve around four key pillars: speed, cost efficiency, high quality, and sustainability. The company prioritizes rapid response to market trends, optimizing costs without compromising quality and maintaining a strong focus on environmentally responsible practices. These pillars not only ensure competitive advantage but also align with the increasing consumer demand for both innovation and ethical business practices. Thanks to this combination of operational excellence and a strategic vision, Inditex continues to dominate the fast fashion market, setting benchmarks for other retailers to follow.
Thank you. Now let's take a closer look at Inditex's supply chain process, which is key to its success. The process is divided into 7 critical stages. Trend analysis is the first one. It all starts with gathering insights. Inditex monitors customers' feedback, store sales data, and online analytics to identify emerging trends and preferences. Design. With these trends in mind, the design team gets to work. They create innovative models that reflect what customers want, balancing creativity and functionality. Prototyping comes next. This stage ensures ideas are not only visually appealing, but also feasible to produce at scale. Production planning. Once prototypes are approved, the detailed schedules are created to meet Inditex's rapid production timeline. The emphasis here is on agility, getting products from the concept to stores in record time. Manufacturing is carried out in trusted factories, often located close to key suppliers. This minimizes lead time and supports flexibility in the process. Quality control is something every single product undergoes to maintain the high standards that customers expect. Distribution. Finally, finished goods are shipped to stores worldwide. The efficient distribution network ensures that products reach the right locations at the right time. Now, throughout these stages, the supply chain management team actively monitors operations to maintain efficiency and respond quickly to market changes. This includes gathering feedback at every single step to continually refine the process. In short, Inditex's supply chain is built to be fast, flexible, and customer-focused, enabling the company to stay ahead in the competitive fashion industry.
While Inditex supply chain is renowned for its agility and efficiency, there are still notable areas where improvements can be made. Let's look at 4 key inefficiencies in more detail. Bottlenecks. Inditex relies heavily on centralized hubs, for example in Spain, such as their main distribution center in Arteixo, Galicia. During periods of high demand, like seasonal launches or sales events, these hubs can become overwhelmed with orders. One example was in the COVID-19 pandemic, when transportation and logistics networks were strained. The dependency on a single region increases the risk of delays in reaching global markets. Another example of a bottleneck is the waste. Inditex frequent product launches to new collections each week, which can result in significant overstocking. While the strategy aligns with fast fashion, unsold inventory often accumulates, leading to financial losses and increased waste. Transportation costs and carbon emissions rise as restocking occurs frequently across multiple markets, contributing to sustainability challenges. For example, unsold stock from previous seasons not only incurs storage cost but also creates an environmental burden, which is discarded or sold at very deep discounts. Quality control issues. Inditex sources a significant portion of its materials and finished products from external suppliers. While these suppliers are required to meet strict quality standards, there have been cases where the final products fail to meet the customer expectations. Defects and inconsistencies in materials can disrupt the production process, delaying shipments and even results in product recalls. Additionally, quality issues can damage the brand's reputation, especially in a market where customer satisfaction and loyalty are a key success. Underutilized capacity. During slower demand periods such as post-holiday seasons, Inditex factories and distribution centers often operate below their full capacity. This underutilization increases fixed overhead costs such as energy and labor without generating proportional revenue. Maintaining idle capacity also reduces overall operation efficiencies, which contradicts Inditex's reputation as a leader in the lean supply chain management. All of these inefficiencies are not just operational challenges, they also pose financial and reputational risks. For example, delayed deliveries and stock holds during high demand periods can lead to frustrated customers, which eventually leads to less sales.
Thank you, Martin. Now, let's start with the first recommendation. What is decentralization? Decentralization is the process of distributing authority and decision-making power from a central authority to lower levels within an organization or system. In supply chain management, decentralization offers a wide range of key benefits that make operations more efficient and resilient. Risk diversification means that by spreading operations across multiple locations, decentralizations will minimize the impact of disruptions such as natural disaster, labor strikes, or political instability. If one of the hubs faces an issue, others can continue operating smoothly. This also strengthens disaster recovery, keeping the supply chains running even during unexpected challenges. Faster decision making will allow us with local teams make decision easier, quicker, and more direct without the need of the main headquarters. Whether it's addressing transportation delays or managing inventory shortages, decentralized units can react immediately to solve problems, improving overall responsiveness. As well, decentralization will boost flexibility, allowing regional operations adapt quicker to changes in local market, whether it's fluctuating demand or shifting supply. It also makes scaling easier to new locations, and markets can be served by autonomous units, allowing business to grow efficiently. Global supply chain will facilitate with decentralization expansion into new regions while integrating multiple logistic methods, creating a seamless global supply chain. Finally, it promotes sustainability by locating warehouses and suppliers closest to demand center. Transportation distance will be reduced, which lowers the carbon footprint. Decentralized operations also encourage the use of local resources like material, labor, will contribute and labor that will contribute to more sustainable practices. Thank you. Now my classmate will explain the next recommendation.
Another main recommendation would be the focus on optimizing transportation and inventory management. By using AI driven demand forecasting, Inditex can align production with customer demand more accurately. Consolidating shipments would reduce transportation frequency, cutting costs, and minimizing environmental impact. These benefits would also include lower transportation expenses, improvement in inventory turnover rates, and last but not least, reduction risks of overproduction and waste. The implementation for this recommendation would be based in 3 steps. Step 1 would be evaluation of current models. It would take from 1 to 3 months, and it's about conducting a review of existing transportation and forecasting systems. Step number 2 would be based in the introduction of AI. It would take 3 to 6 months, and it would begin deploying AI systems to enhance demand forecasting accurately. The final step would be consolidated shipment. It would take from 6 to 12 months, and it would be considered an implementation optimized shipment schedules and monitor performance. By integrating these measures, Inditex can reduce inefficiencies and build a more resilient and eco-friendly supply chain. Our visual aids illustrate how these changes can drive significant cost savings while aligning with sustainability objectives.
Let's focus on our third recommendation, enhancing quality control. Ensuring consistent, high-quality products is critical for maintaining Inditex brand reputation and customer trust. To achieve this, we propose a three-pronged approach using Six Sigma tools and supplier training programs. First, we recommend conducting regular supplier audits. These audits will help identify any areas where suppliers may fall short of Inditex's quality standards, such as material inconsistencies or production errors. By establishing clear benchmarks and monitoring them routinely, Inditex can ensure suppliers are consistently aligned with expectations. Second, introducing comprehensive training programs for suppliers is essential. Many quality issues arise due to skill gaps or a lack of understanding of the company's stringent requirements. Through a structured training session, suppliers' employees can gain the knowledge and the skills they need to meet Inditex's standards. These programs will also foster stronger relationships with suppliers, encouraging long-term collaboration and mutual growth. Third, we propose implementing an early warning system. This system would monitor store-level data for patterns that could indicate quality issues such as frequent returns or customer complaints. By identifying these problems early, Intex can act quickly to address defects before they escalate, saving time and money while protecting the brand's reputation. The expected benefits of these measures are significant. They include a reduction in defective products, enhanced customer satisfaction, and a stronger brand image in the market. To execute this plan, we propose the following timeline. Within the first 3 months, supplier audits will be rolled out. By the 6-month mark, training programs will be implemented to address identified gaps. And finally, within 1 year, the early warning system will be fully operational, ensuring continuous improvement in quality control. In summary, these steps will help Inditex maintain its competitive edge by delivering consistently high-quality products to customers while fostering a more efficient and collaborative supply chain.
Now the conclusion. To wrap up, we've analyzed Inditex's supply chain and pinpointed key areas for improvement. Our recommendations are decentralizing the supply chain by establishing regional hubs to reduce lead time and enhance responsiveness. The second one is to optimize transportation and inventory with AI-driven tools to improve efficiency and minimize costs. And finally, enhancing quality control through the implementation of Six Sigma tools, ensuring consistent product excellence. By adopting these strategies, Inditex can strengthen its agility, promote sustainability, and maintain its competitive edge in the fast-paced fashion industry. Thank you for your time, and we'd be happy to address any questions you may have.